Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub, and today I'll be talking about how to contact Temu customer service. So if you want to reach out to their customer service regarding any issue, then this particular video is for you. So just open the Temu app and tap on the icon, the U icon, that's your profile icon. Tap on the U icon. So you realize at the top corner there is a headset icon. So tap on the headset icon. Tap on the headset icon. Yeah, and scroll down to the last part. So scroll down, you realize there's a tab there, contact us. Just tap on the contact us and just type over whatever message that you want to leave or whatever issue that you have. Type it in here. If it's regarding a particular order or whatever, type it in here, and they'll reach out to you in a short possible time. Okay, so they'll reach out to you in a short possible time. Yeah. So if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and also give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video.